the video where the guy's just moving.
I don't know.
That look cool.
Oh yeah, I think.
Para pag ano natin tayo.
Baba ako ng konti.
Mamapo naman kaya ng konti. Oh.
Diyan ka nga, pre?
Yeah, I'll stay here.
Sige, diyan ka lang. Sige, sige, doon ka. Woohoo!
Behind, man.
That's not a flyby, man.
We're doing a FlyBy video.
That's a stop by.
That's a stop by.
That's a stop by, not a flyby.
That's not a FlyBy.
Are they gonna come back this way?
Mark, is that a flyby?
That's a stop by.
Yeah, that's fast.
Here comes the third one.
Wow.
Good enough.
Yeah,
That was a flyby.
that's a flyby.
I can't even, right as it was going by, I lost him right like in this area.
Whoa.
Getting better.
Di ka na tumawid.
100,000 hour yun.
Nawala yung ihi mo. Oh, ayan, oh, sige.
Yeah, Edward's got the bike. Yeah, I like that. It's really like hell. That shit is nice. And he'll get a stop bike.
You moved the GoPro, huh, Edwin?
Good job, man.
You were flying, man.
Woohoo!
See? Red Bull gives you wings.
Yeah. Is it nice?
How fast are you doing? Like 100? Yeah. Not.
The GoPro, huh, Edwin? It's not stable.
Hey, how fast are you doing?
I don't know, dude. Oh, he can't pay attention.
Yeah.